In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy SRK cryptocurrency in Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. So unfortunately, SRK is not supported by Binance, but you can use any platform that supports SRK. So for example, you can go to app.uniswap.org and then you must have a funds in your MetaMask wallet. So if you don't have a funds yet, you can go to your Binance here and then transfer your funds into MetaMask wallet. So for example, let's go to overview here and then click withdraw and then choose your coin. So for example, we're going to use USDT and then go to your MetaMask wallet, go to Ethereum network, copy the address, paste the address here, select Ethereum network, and then type the amount of USDT you want to trade, but make sure it is 50 USDT and above. For example, 60 USDT, and then choose your wallet here. Then once you have choose your wallet, you will receive this amount of USDT in your MetaMask wallet. Then click withdraw, and you will gonna need to go through a security verification. Then once you have completed the security verification, wait for the transaction to be completed, and then go to your MetaMask wallet if you have received the USDT. And then go back to Uniswap, click connect, choose MetaMask, and then change it into Ethereum network. Then choose USDT here, select its token, and type down SRK. Click here, and then type the amount of USDT you want to swap. So for example, 60 USDT, and then you will receive this amount of SRK. And if you are swapping SRK for the first time, you will have to approve SRK first, and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. So once you have approved the SRK token, click swap here, and then a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up again, and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. Then once you have paid for the gas fee, go to your MetaMask wallet and check if you have received the SRK token. So if you don't have a SRK token yet, you can click import tokens, type down SRK, and click here, click next, and click import tokens. And then you will see here your balance. And if you have any questions about how to buy SRK cryptocurrency in Binance, leave a comment below.